Hi, Christine here, your beauty expert. So today's video is all about my Infiniti Laser hair removal. I got it in the Aivee Clinic in the Philippines, and here's a quick video on it.
You're okay.
Yeah.
But you feel...
Yeah, it pricks. So with this procedure, it's one of the top procedures in the Philippines, and they actually put a gel on my upper lip. That's where I have my peach fuzz, and I wanted to remove this. It's the best treatment. Laser hair removal. See how it works. The Lumenis Infiniti Laser hair removal is actually one of the best removals because it goes into the hair follicle, and it kind of like has a cold feeling, and it kind of pulls the hair follicle, and then with the heat it helps eliminate that hair. So they do it on top of a gel. Yeah, that one was hotter. So the feeling of the heat is actually like a little pulse, and it kind of like just does a little zap. So you feel it almost at your gums and along your teeth area.
Okay.
That's it?
Okay. You won't be able to.
Really?
Okay.
That is fast.
Yeah. You want more shots? Less one.
The procedure took less than 10 minutes, and it was about 3,500 pesos. And I have pigmentation around my mouth area, so it helped with that as well. It's like little needles. It's so hot. Yeah, it's really fast.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I don't know. Should I do my arms?
And it's like hot.
Yeah.
No.
We'll just wait for the others.
So this is to remove the hair. I was so surprised at how quick this was, but I really did see results with this.
Hot? Okay, done.
All right. It's so hot.
Is it?
Because it's targeting your hair.
So the feeling I had with the warm and cool was the gel was cool, and then the machine felt warm with the pulsating like little vibrations in there. And I do notice that a couple of weeks later, my hair hasn't come back, which is nice. It's with peach fuzz, very light, but it really did help with my makeup going on smoother. So I really love the Lumenis Infiniti service with the Aivee Clinic. Hopefully this comes to United States. There probably is a, place that does this service. I just haven't found it. So I'm Christine, your beauty expert. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.